So one bolt right there, one bolt right there, a bolt right here. There, but it's 4 in all. But use an 8mm wrench for it. Let's see what these lights talking about. Oh yeah, these heat. Yeah, these pressure. But first, let me see if these work though. So give me a second. Unpop this. Pop this one. Hold on now, baby. I gotta see how to let this go. Give me a second, y'all. Alright, so it took me a minute to figure out how and what. Right there. One right there. And the other one is right here. And then all I do is just bring this up here. And pretty much just connect these right here. So give me a second. And that's the only bulb I do not like. I'm gonna have to order a whole new one. Cause the ones that I did have don't fit that bulb. The insert. Other than that, everything goes cold.